Hello and welcome back to the Note, and a happy Thanksgiving to our American viewers. Now, we've had a fairly quiet day on world markets. Perhaps the most interesting development was another fall for the euro against the dollar. It's now almost back to its lows for the year set much earlier. And that's in line with another very dramatic long-term trend, which is that European stocks are utterly underperforming American stocks. If we take a look at this chart, you can see that since January 2008, the FTSE Euro First 300, when you judge this in common currency terms, has lost more than half of its value compared to the S&P 500. Those who remember back that far, that top there was created by the rogue trading incident, the Jerome Kerviel incident at Societe Generale. Ever since then, European stocks have inexorably underperformed US stocks. Now, a lot of this is the currency. So if we take the currency out of the equation and compare the Euro First in euros with the S&P in dollars, look at everything in local currency, you can see that the effect is more muted. There was a much more impressive rally for European stocks at the beginning of this year, but you can still see European stocks have given up some third of their value against the S&P, and the trend still looks very negative at present. How do we explain this? Some of this obviously is the Eurozone crisis. A lot of this is that the US has had a much more lenient monetary policy. Whatever you think of that, it certainly helped to buoy the valuations of stocks. But I think the most important reason is to do with hope or optimism, a good theme at US Thanksgiving. American stocks have a very rich valuation of what appear to be top of the cycle earnings. European stocks have rather a low valuation of what appear to be depressed earnings. That is the main driver of this. We can expect that to reverse. And so I think Americans should be very thankful for the strength of their stock market at the moment. The chances are that at some point before too much longer, this long-term underperformance by Europe of the US is going to start to reverse.